twist face is what everybody's talking about. It's really changing the face curvature of both of these drivers so that we can really fix the problems that golfers have when they mishit it. All drivers have the problem, and traditional bulge and roll wasn't solving it. And so from our research, we studied what golfers were doing and how they were missing it and what was happening with their club when they were coming into impact to affect that miss. And ultimately, we changed the face curvature to solve it. Twist face this year, I think, really sets us apart from anybody else. As it relates to performance, we know it, we research it. But on top of that, adjustability in the M3, there's nothing out there that I've seen that you can fit a golfer as well as this M3 with the new wide track, loft sleeve. There's over 1,000 combinations of ways to just personalize the product for your game. So there's 22 grams of weight in this wide track. So if you want to hit it lower, like Tiger Woods, and you've moved all that weight forward and drop the spin. If you want to go up like close to 500 RPMs, you take both those weights, split it in the back, the stability of the product goes up, the height of the trajectory goes up, or if you just want to draw or a fade, anywhere in between. It's simple. Talk about people moving the needle. Tiger is the needle, right? He moved, like, people just want to get on the edge of their seats to watch what he's about to do. And for him to have the confidence in TaylorMade and in our products, here's a player that doesn't switch products very often. He tests it to a degree that he's one of the most stringent testers of golf products that I've ever met. And to validate M3 like this is well, it's spectacular. It feels great. Ribcor was really designed to stabilize the head and allow all the energy that's happening in these distance irons to happen where we want it, in the center of this face. So in distance irons up to now, a lot of that energy has been dissipated and lost out in the toe area, in the heel area, and not concentrated in the impact zone. So we use our face slots, and we use these ribs that go just outside those slots. We've been really struggling to make it sound fantastic because it's like a bell when you make it thin and flexible in an iron. And so by putting this Ribcor design in there, it allowed us to still get the distance, the height, and all that performance we want, but make it sound and feel solid. The real difference between M3 and M4 is that the M3 is a little bit smaller, a little bit more versatile, slightly lower handicap than the M4. This is going to do and attract the widest range of players and handicap levels. But if you're a little bit better player, a little bit lower handicap, say you're a 10, you want the horsepower of the M4, but in a smaller head, that's the M3.